Hey Glam Fam, what's up? So today we are doing something super cool. We're doing an Instagram baddie inspired makeup tutorial, and I think I have everything that I need on the checklist. I got the hoops, I got the random scarf on my head, the choker, nose ring, some random beverage sipping on periodically through the video. I also have my sunglasses for pics later. You can be an Instagram baddie at any age. Kind of for fun, kind of for play. I don't think I'm a baddie. Come on, calm down, I mean. Jeez. If you want to see how I'm going to do this, then just keep on watching. Let's do this. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the flies of them all? First things first, you cannot be a baddie with baggies. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to take care of this luggage right here. Bye Bye Undereye for our bags. Spray with my Mario Bedesco Rose Water. No way you can consider yourself an Instagram baddie if your lips are looking crappy or chappy. Nappy? All right, let me stop, okay? All right. Hemp's sugarcane and papaya lip treatment, clean finger, and just get a little scrub. Wipe it off. Going in with the Smashbox Finish Radiant Primer. Focus it where I have pores. This wouldn't be a Instagram baddie tutorial without the Farsali Rose Gold 24 karat drops. I'm going to put them on my cheekbones. Do you guys see that potion right there? That's real gold in there. I feel like I have less creasing with my highlighter when I use this too. You know when you put on highlighter and you have like crow's feet right there? This eliminates that for the most part. My favorite foundation, especially for photos and videos, is the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I'm in the color Caramel. My favorite brush to put on my foundation that I feel gives the most flawless look is the Morphe M439. A little bit because I don't like a cakey face. Instagram baddie tutorial. I'm going in with these Cover FX glitter drops. Do you guys see this? Just a tiny bit in my foundation. Just gonna be beautiful. Do you guys see that? See that? Look what a difference that is. Foundation is it. I have texture. I'm 39 years old, but this doesn't give me a lot of texture. It looks like skin. Look at that. The hashtag no filter selfie powder. Using the banana powder. Go all over and set this foundation. This will make my pictures look really good. This gives you an instant filter. Do you guys see that? It never makes me look cakey. I don't care who you are and what age you are. You have an Instagram baddie photo. You have to do this to your eyebrows. Small Real Techniques detail brush. I've dipped it in my NYX Dark Circle Corrector below my brows. Huge difference. It really does when you clean up your brows. The Tarte Shape Tape, I am in the color Neutral.
Look at that applicator. You guys already probably know by now.
So this before, but I always go above that middle forehead wrinkle. I don't want the concealer to sit inside that wrinkle, you know. Foundation brush, this is the tip I like to get rid of these lines that I made with the concealer. Better call Tyrone. That's enough of that. You don't want no line. You have to bake, because would this be an Instagram baddie tutorial if we didn't bake our freaking face? With the RMCA Powder, I am taking my semi-damp beauty blender and I am going in. Into something that everybody can pick up at the drugstore. $4.99 gets you this beautiful packet right here. This is the Wet n Wild Petal Pusher in Decay Primer Potion to make sure I have a good base for my eyeshadow. Eye base blended out lovely. Okay, Morphe Blending M200. Just because you want to have something for the shadow that's going to go in your crease to blend with. Morphe M433 right here. Just pat that on. Look at how beautiful these colors work. Like, hello, you're $4.99 for how many colors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 shades. Like, come on right now. We're gonna halo that down a little bit. And do the same thing on the other side. Just lay it down gently. Halo it down. And have it meet with this. With that same Morphe blending brush and just make it look seamless. A smaller, more defined brush because we want to get right inside the crease. Color right here. Okay, and we're just gonna make our crease line. This brush for that because look at how thin that is. So you can just make it do whatever you want. Don't worry, we'll blend it out with the actual real crease brush. My Real Techniques crease brush. I am going to tap a little bit of this color right here. They don't have shade name. This one right here. See? And I'm gonna go right over that. Just to soften up that crease. From Real Techniques, this is mistake proof because you see how fluffy it is? It'll get any mistakes you made and basically blend it out. Feel like you went ham on something, you're straight. It's an Instagram baddie tutorial. Color right here. I'm done. Okay, and then with my Morphe, my son's cracked me up. You know what my son just said? I just told him I was making an Instagram baddie tutorial and he said, you can't be a baddie at 40. First of all, I'm 39. And second of all, you can be a baddie, Instagram baddie, any age. Baddie is inside here. What's inside your heart. If you feel good about yourself, you're good. My mom, I'm not gonna disclose her age. She is a baddie. She's a baddie. So, and I'm gonna insert a picture of her right here. No, and she didn't have me when she was 17, okay? She had me when she was about 28 years old. So you do the math. The Tarte Shape Tape. Even out the lines around it. See that? And I'm gonna put it right in the middle. Holy gunmetal silver. So many different kinds of flecks in it. Do you guys see that when I packed that on a second time? Make sure there's no line. I am freaking obsessed with this right now. Like, can you guys see that color? Like, that is so beautiful. First, actually, we're gonna go in with the Too Faced Lucky Bitch. Can you just right now? Ooh, that's the sparkle I need in my life. I need a drink for this. I have something I need to cool down because this is gorgeous. And you thought we were done with glitter? No. No, friends, we're not done with glitter. We are going into the Revlon Photo Ready Eye Art in gold. Right in the middle to spice that up. In the inner corner. Just start wiping that bake off. Wet n Wild, see? Like, I didn't even mean for this to be like drugstore, but we're taking this Wet n Wild. We kind of got to offset the price of the Farsali drop somewhere, right? 3, 4. Okay, so I mentioned this in my products I love, but I forgot I had. This is the Hikari. This is the bronze and blush in one, and it also gives you a subtle glow. Right here, this is the Morphe M127. We're gonna go all around all the colors and go right on top of that contour. Eyebrow pencil. And these pencils are so buttery and so cheap. Like, what is this, $3? That's what I'm doing. That looks crazy. Snatched, y'all. That looks snatched. Fenty Beauty Trophy Wipe. Come on, have you seen anything more beautiful in your life? Let's go. We'll take a moment. Wet n Wild palette. Here, this deep purple down here. And always connect it with this. Look at that beautiful color. $5.
It's like, are you living right now?
If you don't own this palette, you put a black on top of a purple, you are gonna get magic. You straight up are gonna get magic. So we are going into this color right there. It's like a sparkly black. Come on. Come on. I'm done. I gotta go. Bye. Kidding, I'm not gonna leave you guys hanging like that. Look how big my eyes look. The Avon, this new black that my friend gave me, it is in blackest black. The Instagram famous Amrezy highlighting. How can we not use this highlighter? Morphe M510 brush. Oh. When you take Instagram photos, that's what you want to see. You want to see that right there. That light right there. What's that highlighter? I always ask people. I stop people on the street. I'm like, stop.
What's a highlighter though?
That's you guys can relate. With trophy wife. We are good on the highlighter. I am glowing to the gods. False lashes, this will take this up 25,000 notches, but you guys know I don't like false lashes on myself. You guys feel free to insert those lashes right here. Did you see that glow again? Did you see that glow again? Did you see that glow again? Taurus by ColourPop. What the heck?
What the heck?
Oh, Lord. Okay. The ColourPop Limbo. Because nothing screams Instagram baddie more than a brownish mauve nude color on your mouth. With my favorite nude ever of all time, Stila Patina, complimentary on every skin color. I think it's the best nude that was ever made. For all praise to this nude.
Feeling this? I know you're feeling this. I know it. I know you are. But what am I?
What Instagram baddie makeup tutorial would be complete without some MAC lip gloss? Hunty! Better in the universe than this. Do all your duck face photos. Anyways, this is the finished look. Please don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in my next video. Peace.
So full pipe down, you ain't talking about shit. Body looking like